In this tutorial, you will learn how to export a Smart Radiology created report, fast and easy. What you see here is the findings section of our prostate MRI template. If you are unsure how to get there, watch our tutorial number 3. Once you have completed the reporting, you can add the graphical elements to the end of the report. To do so, click on the Graphics button above the report text and select the graphic you wish to add to the report. The image will automatically be added at the end of the text. To delete the graphic, just click again on the corresponding image in the list that pops up after you click on the Graphics button. To export the formatted report and graphical elements, press the Export button. This adds the final document to your clipboard and can easily be pasted into your hospital or radiology information system. This saves time over marking the text and then copy-pasting it. Smart Reporting does cooperate with several RIS, HIS and PACS vendors to provide a more seamlessly integrated reporting workflow. To receive further information on those collaborations, just contact us via email at support@smartreporting.de. Finally, we always appreciate your feedback. Your input on any aspect of the solution is highly appreciated and will help us improve our offering. Contact us via email at feedback@smartreporting.de, our social media profiles or our website. Now, it's time to get started and experience the value add of smart radiology and structured reporting. Register on our website and use a selected number of templates for free.